Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leon here from E리 Dance School. So today I will be teaching you 4 types of whisk so that you can do beautiful whisk and have a variation to your dancing every time. The first whisk that I'll be teaching is the basic whisk. In the basic whisk, we will do 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to change direction. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? You can see that the footwork is ball flat, ball, ball flat. Today, in all the whisks that I'll be teaching you, all footwork will remain the same because that's the basic of the whisk. And now, I'm going to go into the second whisk. Now, the ronde whisk. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now from the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep watching till the end because at the end I have a bonus whisk action that I love a lot, and you'll be surprised how much it looks good on you if you try it. Now I'm going to show you the third type, which is the speedy whisk. In the speedy whisk, I'll focus mainly on the foot, how fast and how slow we can show the whisk. So take a look how I do the whisk now and go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hop. Now I'm going to go into my favorite one, which is called the body action whisk. In the body action whisk, we try to use our body in diagonal in our hips and body. So I'll show you how it looks like. Take a look and go. Go on. Please click our subscribe button immediately now here to get our weekly dance lesson that I enjoy making for you. I hope we can practice and improve together. Most important is you need to have the knowledge so that you can improve your dancing. Without knowledge, your improvement will not be the same. So please click subscribe. Now, the bonus whisk that I promised you. The bonus whisk is called the body vibration whisk. So in the body vibration whisk, we are doing the body in and out while doing the whisk. So let me show you what I always do in my competition, and I get very good points for doing this. So take a look. I'm going to show you now. You have seen 5 different types of whisk. Now, get up and now try to dance it together with me. I will be backing the camera so you can follow me easily. So, let's try. Please let me know which whisk number do you like in the comment below. So tell me 1 or number 3 or number 5. Which do you like best and which you like to make it better for your own dancing? So I'm looking forward to your comment and I'll reply back to you. If you like to learn more in detail the 5 whisk action that I have taught you just now, please subscribe to my newsletter below. Input your details and I'll send an email to you so they can see it not on YouTube. Okay? So, enjoy your dancing.